Orlando Pirates have officially unveiled Sipho Mbule as their newest signing, marking a significant step in their squad overhaul ahead of the 2025-2026 season. The 27-year-old midfielder joins the Swords Giants following challenging spell at Mamelodi Sundowns, where limited game time curtailed his impact despite his considerable potential. Mbule's move to Mayfair has been described by insiders as a calculated and strategic acquisition, one that not only adds depth to the Buccaneers midfield, but also reignites the career of a player once regarded as one of South Africa's brightest young talents. In a statement confirming the signing on Tuesday afternoon, the Pirates stated, "Pirates welcome Mbule with optimism. We are delighted to have Mbule join the team, highlighting the value he is expected to bring to the heart of their midfield." With the departures of several senior midfielders during the off-season, the club had been actively seeking a creative and dynamic presence in the midfield of the park. Mbule, with his vision, passing range, and ability to control the game from deep, appears to be tailor-made for the role. His arrival also coincides with a new era at Orlando Pirates, led by the recently appointed head coach Abdesalam Odu. The Moroccan tactician, known for his meticulous approach and tactical organization, will be looking to integrate Mbule into a system that prioritizes structure without sacrificing flair. Mbule brings with him a wealth of experience from both the domestic league and continental competitions. His versatility, capable of operating as a deep-lying playmaker or in a more advanced box-to-box role, offers Abdesalam multiple tactical options heading into a season filled with both local and international commitments. The Buccaneers faithful will be hoping this move marks a turning point for Mbule, whose early promise at SuperSport United made him a household name. If he can rediscover his best form, the Buccaneers may have secured one of the transfer window's most shrewd pieces of business. More signings are expected in the coming weeks, but Mbule's capture already sends a clear message. Orlando Pirates mean business. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.